Israeli police assaults worshippers in Al-Aqsa. Officials. Palestinian killed after alleged West Bank attack. Army. Israel to construct 23,000 buildings in East Jerusalem. 128,000 still held in Syria's prisons. UK-based watchdog. IOM seeks $207 million this year for Syrian refugees. 2018 deadliest year for children in Syria. UNICEF. Saudi Arabia's Al Jubair meets with Indian officials. Somali army kills 8 Al-Shabaab militants. Algeria, thousands stage fresh anti-Bouteflika protest. Algerians celebrate Bouteflika withdrawal from election. Afghan forces kill 31 Taliban amid flared up fighting. Pro-Indian parties in Kashmir upset over election delay.